Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you these three sections, important sections that are found on Google Classroom. Here I'm using a mobile phone, but if you are using a computer, these three sections you'll find at the top, but because I'm using a mobile phone, these sections are found here below. So there is a stream, there is classwork, and there is people. These are very, very important if you are using a Google Classroom as a teacher or a student. You are supposed to understand this. Now, what are you supposed to do in a stream? In a stream, you can usually it's special for announcements. If you want to put an announcement, and also can be used for discussion. However, you can play with the settings. That will be another video now. But here in our stream, usually is special for announcements. It's like a notes board. Take in a school scenario, stream plays here like a notes board where you get announcements and so forth and so forth. In our classwork is where the materials and assignments or questions are asked. So if you want to create a classwork, you want to create an assignment, you want to ask a question for discussion and so forth, you can use this classwork. People here is if you want to add or to want to check the students that you have, or you want to add students, or you want to add your co-teacher, you can also add your co-teacher or add students in using Google Classroom. Let me show you how you can use this classwork, because most of the time as a teacher you'll be, and a student also, as a student also, you'll be playing with the classwork. So just click this classwork. For example, if you are a teacher, you want to create an assignment, just click this plus sign. So I can click this plus sign. Then if the advice that I can give you is that if you want to mark and grade well your work, it's better to choose assignment, because that allows students to give open-ended questions and so on and so forth, even if they can write 5 pages or whatever. So assignment gives them that freedom. But if you choose question, they'll be given just to write usually 1 page. You'll be given a box to write just 1 page. But if you want long answers, and also you want to be able to mark well and grade well, better to choose the assignment. So also you can choose as a material. Also you can select a topic and so forth and so forth, or you can use a post and so forth and so forth. So for example, if I want to create an assignment, I can click here assignment. So it will create this. So I'll write here whatever. I can put a due date, the deadline. You can set a deadline. You can grade, add marks here. For example, I want maybe this assignment to have 20 marks, or I want this assignment to have 10 marks, or I want this assignment to have 50 marks. I can put whatever I want. So you can play with a lot of things. Also, you can schedule it. So if you want to, or you can add other materials. For example, you can add from Drive, you can add a link, you can just add a file. Now click add a file if you want, if you have a material on your phone, so will be taken from your internal memory. Also, you can take a photo, you can record a video direct, you can create a PDF file and so on and so forth. So you can do a lot of things using Google Classroom. So once you are done, here you can write descriptions. Maybe you want to give them instruction how to answer that assignment, or so on and so forth. You are given everything there. So if you don't want to post today, maybe you want to post another day or next week or whatever, next month, you can schedule here. Once you write everything, there is a schedule, save, delete, whatever. So you can save as a draft, or you can schedule that should be live, should you go live maybe next week. So you can do that. So with Google Classroom, you can do a lot of things. Another Important part is these people. So here, people at the top will see teachers, and down there you see students. So as you can see here, there is a person icon here and the person icon here, so and the plus sign. So here you can use to add students or add your co-teacher if you want to contact a co-teaching. If you want to have a co-teacher, you can add another teacher there. So this is the summary on how you can use this Google Classroom. The important parts that are found